How to turn off Ignore Limit on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find the Screen Time option and tap on it. Screen Time provides detailed reports about how much time you spend on apps and websites. In the Screen Time menu, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen Time Settings. You will be prompted to set a passcode for your screen time settings. Re-enter the passcode to confirm it. Next, set up recovery by entering your Apple ID and password, then tap on OK. This allows you to reset the passcode using your Apple account if you ever forget it. The screen time settings are now secured with a passcode, preventing any unauthorized changes. Following these steps, you can easily turn off the Ignore Limit on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.